Thank you for viewing Global Bay's video demo on inventory management. This video will walk through the functionality of the transfer out portion of our inventory management module. Global Bay's inventory management system is a native application that can integrate directly into your current backend systems such as JDA, SAP, Island Pacific, Raymark, CRS, a custom system that has been built for you, or any other system you may have in place. It can run in batch mode, wireless mode, or a hybrid of both, and runs on any Windows Mobile or Windows CE device. To begin a transfer out transaction, simply click on the button from the transfer menu. Both corporate-initiated and store-initiated transfers out can be conducted from this screen. Let's start with a corporate-initiated transfer by selecting the value from the drop-down. As you can see here, the auth drop-down has been populated with a list of transactions sent down by corporate. The auth number field can be configured to any value that helps you identify your transactions. Once I select a transaction number, the destination field is automatically populated with header information. The reason drop-down is disabled for corporate-initiated transfers. However, it can be enabled should your business process call for it. I now have all the header information needed to begin my transfer out. Clicking the Start Carton button will generate the first carton number for this transaction. The carton number is based on a formula including the current store number, the transfer store number, a device ID, and the current date. The carton number can also be used as a barcode. This configuration of the inventory management module allows for blind scanning, which means that corporate has sent down the list of items to be transferred out via other means such as email. However, a list of items can also be sent down to the device along with transaction information, allowing users to scan against a list of items and quantities. Validations can be incorporated to limit the quantity of items or which items can be transferred out. Let's start this transaction by scanning a few items. That beep that you hear is the device scanning a barcode. If a barcode cannot be scanned, users can manually enter the UPC number, SKU number, or any other identifier. This is configurable. And my fourth item has been added. As you can see at the bottom, I have a counter for my total number of cartons and my total number of items. Once this carton is full, I can click the New Carton button that will generate a new carton number and a new carton. Again, I can start entering my items. If there is no barcode or label to scan or enter, I can conduct a search to find my item. Start by clicking the Lookup menu item, enter my style number, and hit the Lookup button. I can also filter my results by selecting a specific characteristic such as color or size. Once I find the item I'm looking for, I can highlight it and add it. The lookup screen can be configured to meet the needs of your product. I can also enter a tracking number. This can be helped to track your items via UPS or FedEx, although it is not currently integrated into either of those systems. Clicking Done will signify that I have completed this transaction. To complete a store-initiated transfer, let's start by selecting the value in the drop-down. The auth number is auto-generated. This is the number used to identify the transaction, and it can be configured based on your process. A transfer store and reason must be selected to start entering items. The Start Cart button will again generate a carton number. The formula for the carton number is the same as for corporate-initiated transfers. I've entered a few items. In this configuration, there is no restriction on which items or how many items can be transferred out. However, this is a simple validation that can be added. When you have filled your first carton, click the Next Carton button. Repeat the process until all items have been entered. If a barcode cannot be scanned, users may enter the UPC, SKU, or any other identifier manually, or search for the item via item lookup. There is no restriction onto the number of cartons that can be added to a transaction. Upon clicking Done, users will be prompted for the manager's approval. This allows stores to confirm the transaction is authorized and accurate. The manager approval requirement is an additional validation that can be easily removed. Alternate configurations of the inventory management system allow users to save a transaction and complete it later. Access to pending transactions can be gained through the View Edit portion of the application. The View Edit section also allows users to view completed transactions prior to synchronization. That will be covered in another video. You've just finished watching one of many functions for inventory management. To view more of these videos, please check us out at www.youtube.com/globalbaymobile. And for additional information on all of our solutions, you can visit us at www.globalbay.com.